What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. This video I want to talk about simplifying odd and even roots in higher roots. We can say that for any integer greater, equal or greater than 2, when n is odd number, the nth root of a to the power of n is just a, and when n is even number, the nth root of a to the power of n will be absolute value of a. Let's have some examples. First example, we need to simplify square root of x to the power of 2. The answer will be, since we have square root of x to the power of 2 and it's even number, the answer will be absolute value of x. Excuse me. And next example, the cube root of n to the power of 3. Answer is, since 3 is odd number, the answer will be just n. Next example, the fourth root of y to the power of 4. Answer will be, since 4 is even number, the answer will be absolute value of y. Next example, the fifth root of t to the power of 5. Answer is, since 5 is odd number, the answer will be just t. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding square roots and other topics in math and science. Thank you.